how to set up S-Corp payroll and distributions in QuickBooks. If you're running an S-Corp in the US, you may already know that payroll and distributions can get a little tricky. But don't worry, QuickBooks literally makes it way simpler than you think. So in this video, we're going to walk you through it step by step so you know exactly how to pay yourself and your team correctly. So first, you're going to have to set up an S-Corp in QuickBooks Payroll. So this is key. It literally tells QuickBooks you have an S-Corp structure, which affects how taxes are calculated for payroll. You also need your EIN, your business address, and employee info. And yes, that includes yourself if you're drawing a salary. Then next, you're going to have to determine a reasonable salary. So S-Corp owners can't just take distributions all the time. The IRS expects a fair wage for work performed, so QuickBooks makes it easy to set up recurring payroll for yourself and other employees, including calculating federal and state payroll taxes automatically. So as a pro tip, make sure to pay yourself a salary first, then take distributions separately. Speaking of distributions, here's where it actually gets simple. QuickBooks also lets you record owner distributions as separate transactions, so this keeps your personal draw separate from payroll, so your books stay clean and your taxes stay correct. And another tip, you can also run payroll reports regularly. So QuickBooks has inbuilt reports for payroll summaries, tax liabilities, and distributions. So these reports are literally gold when filing your S-Corp taxes or just checking your cash flow. You know exactly how much went to salaries versus distributions. So to wrap things up, make sure to set up an S-Corp in QuickBooks Payroll, pay yourself a reasonable salary through payroll, and finally, run payroll and distributions reports regularly. And that's it. S-Corp payroll doesn't have to be complicated. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.